Now children, see, this is the question number 3.9 of NCERT exercise. According to this question, the two towns A and B, they are connected by the regular bus service, and bus leaving in either direction after every t minute. Means the bus leaves from this station after t minute and the bus leaves from this station after t minute. And a man is going in the direction from A to B with the speed of 20 km per hour, and he noticed that after every 18 minutes a bus passes from the direction A to B. Means when the man reaches, suppose at this point at the 18 minute, he saw that a bus passes from him. So after 18 minutes the bus passes to him from the direction A to B, and when the direction you will take the bus leaving from the station B to A, after every 6 minutes the bus passes to him. Means from this direction the bus passes to him after every 6 minutes, and from this direction bus passes to him after 18 minutes. So you have to find out the time capital T at which the bus passes from leaves the one station, and the speed of the bus. So in this condition, Vm is the speed of the man, which is given 20 km per hour. Now we have supposed that speed of the bus is v km per hour. So first condition we will take when the bus is going from A to B direction. So when the bus going from A to B direction, man is also going from A to B direction. So both the things are in motion. Man is also in motion and bus is also in motion. So when the two objects are in motion, now in this case we will take the relative velocity of bus in the direction of motion of the man. So this will be what? Since both are moving in the same direction, so according to relative velocity concept, the formula of the relative velocity of the bus with respect to man will be come out to be v minus 20. Velocity of bus minus velocity of man. Okay, this is kilometer per hour. Now after 18 minutes, what is the distance travelled by the bus? So in 18 minutes, the distance travelled by the bus, that is S1, that is speed of the bus, which we will consider relative speed, v minus 20. And what is the time taken? 18 minutes. But here you have a time in hour and here you have a time in 18 minutes. So you have to convert the time into hour. So that is why 18 divided by 60, this time will come in hour. Okay. So this is the speed multiplied by time, that will be equal to distance travelled by the bus from the direction A to the position of the man at in 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, now again the bus moves from the another bus moves from the station A. So when the bus leaves the town after every t minute, it means this is the time also which we will call t, because after t minute now the bus leaves from this station. So that means the time t is that time in which the bus travel to a distance up to the man, because after this time again the bus leaves from the station and passes to the man. So that is why bus leaves the town after every t minute. So the same distance travelled by the bus in t minute with the speed of only bus. Here we will not take the speed of the man, because the man is going in this direction continuously, but after t minute the bus leaves from this station. So now here we will consider only the speed of the bus, which is moving to this point after every t minute. So bus moves with its speed after every t minute. So t minute means t by 60 hour. So this is the distance, same distance traveled by the bus after t minute to the point where the bus passes to the man. Each bus passes to the man. मतलब इस पॉइंट पर जब मैन पहुंचा तो वो टाइम था 18 मिनट। तो उसने देखा कि हर 18 मिनट पे बस पास कर रही है, और कहा क्वेश्चन में ये जा रहा है कि हर t मिनट के बाद बस यहाँ से लीव कर रही है। तो इसका मतलब ये जो 18 मिनट है इसमें बस जो पास कर रही है यहाँ से, जैसी एक बस इस मैन को पास करेगी उसी समय t मिनट पे ये बस यहाँ से लीव करेगी। तो इसका मतलब हर t मिनट बाद जो है बस यहाँ से लीव कर रही है, और t मिनट तक का जो डिस्टेंस बस अपनी स्पीड से ट्रैवल कर रही है यहाँ तक, वो डिस्टेंस और 18 मिनट में जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल हो रहा है वो क्या है, दोनों सेम है। ये रिलेटिव स्पीड से बस क्रॉस कर रही है, लेकिन जब यहाँ से छूट रही है तो वो अपनी स्पीड से छूट रही है। तो इस t मिनट में वो अपनी स्पीड से यहाँ तक चलेगी, और जब मैन चल रहा है बस के साथ में तो बस अपनी स्पीड रिलेटिव स्पीड से इस मैन के साथ चलेगी। सो दैट इज़ वाई बोथ द डिस्टेंस आर सेम। नाउ द सेकेंड कंडीशन, द बस इज लीविंग फ्रॉम द स्टेशन B आफ्टर एवरी 6 passes टू द मैन आफ्टर 6 मिनट। मतलब बस यहाँ से मूव कर रही है और 6 मिनट में इस मैन को पास करती भी जा रही है। तो इसका मतलब जब ये मैन को पास करेगी तो अपनी रिलेटिव स्पीड से करे, क्योंकि मैन ऐसे आ रहा है और बस ऐसे जा रही है, तो दोनों अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में हो गए। तो बस की रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी यहाँ कंसीडर करेंगे। दैट इज़ वाई रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ बस इन द डायरेक्शन अपोजिट टू द मैन, दैट इज़ v + 20 km/h. Now this bus passes the man with this speed after every 6 minutes. So distance travelled by the bus in 6 minutes is s2 is equal to v + 20, and this is in hour 6/20 km. Okay. Now according to the question, जब ये बस इस मैन को पास करेगी 6 मिनट में, उसी समय यहाँ से t मिनट बाद, मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि हर t मिनट के बाद बस यहाँ से लीव करेगी। तो इसका मतलब अब वो t मिनट कंप्लीट हो गया और बस अब यहाँ से फिर से दोबारा चलना शुरू हुई। एक बस क्रॉस कर गई, अब दूसरी बस जैसे ही इसने इसको क्रॉस किया दूसरी बस यहाँ से चलना शुरू हो गई। तो इसका मतलब जो टाइम था वो टाइम कितना हुआ, t मिनट हुआ, जिसमें दूसरी बस जैसे ही इसने इसको क्रॉस किया वो यहाँ से चलना शुरू हुई। तो दैट इज़ वाई नाउ हियर वी विल कंसीडर the distance s2 traveled, that is v multiplied by t by 60. The same distance traveled by the bus with its own speed after every t minute. So that is t by 60 hour. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to solve this equation. These equations. Equation number 1. This is the equation number 1, 2, and this is 3. So equate these two equations s1 and equate 3 and 4. Okay. So when you will equate 1 and 2, v minus 20 18 by 60 is equal to v multiplied by t by 60. So similarly 3 and 4, v plus 60 20 6 by 60 and v multiplied by t by 60. Now when you will take this condition, divide equation number 5 by 6. Divide these two equations. So left hand side and right hand side is divided. So in this condition what you are getting, 60 and 60, when you will divide it, 60 and 60 cancelled out. Here t and t cancel, means these two will be cancelled out, so you will be getting 1, and here you will be getting 18 v minus 20 multiplied by 18 divided by v plus 20 multiplied by 6. Okay. Now take the cross multiplication and you will be getting the value v is equal to 40 km/h. When you will get the value v is equal to 40 km/h, substitute the value of v in any one equation. Substitute here. Okay. Or substitute, you can substitute here also. So if you will substitute the value of v in this equation, you will be getting, in place of v you will substitute 40 plus 20, and this is 6 by 60 means 1/10 is equal to 40 multiplied by t by 60. So from here you will be getting the value of t, that is 9 minutes.